Breaking news for you tonight on ABC 17 News at 6. We've just learned there is a verdict in the trial of a Missouri man accused of killing a child and trying to blame his death on a hit-and-run driver. ABC 17's Lucas Geisler joins us now from south of Kansas City, where the Thomas Presley case was moved on a change of venue. And Lucas, what can you tell us?
Marissa and Joey, just before 6 p.m., the jurors here in Cass County came in with a guilty verdict against Thomas Presley on both of his charges, on first-degree murder as well as child abuse. Blake Litton is the victim in this case, the 3-year-old boy who was killed the morning of February 16th, 2012, in Morgan County in the town of Stover. Thomas Presley was originally charged, of course, accused of beating Blake Litton to death for some misbehavior that Blake apparently had been having, according to text messages that the court showed between Thomas Presley and Blake's mother, Jamie Litton. Now, Thomas Presley, of course, found guilty of first-degree murder and child abuse. The punishments for those that the jury came back and recommended was life in prison without the possibility of parole. Now, it was a very emotional day in the courtroom. During closing arguments, the defense attorney, Carrie Comstock, began crying while explaining her side of the case. She admitted that Thomas Presley did, in fact, beat Blake Litton that day, but that he shouldn't be found guilty of first-degree murder, instead a lesser charge, second-degree murder or involuntary manslaughter, saying that Thomas didn't want Blake Litton to die and that he wasn't deliberately trying to kill him in that action. Of course, the jury, though, finding a different case, siding with the state and finding him guilty of first-degree murder. Reporting live here in Cass County in Harrisonville, Lucas Geisler, ABC 17 News.
Lucas, thank you.
ABC 17 Sherry Burris is next with sports.